Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the export container movement report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the operations module. Here, we have to select the export container movement report under the operations module. On this export container movement page, we have to select the date range. Then we have to select the export department. Now we have to select the required pickup code and delivery code. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now the export container movement details will be displayed on the screen. This is how to generate the export container movement report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.